Hello, students. Hope everyone is fine and safe at your home. Today, we are going to finish chapter 7, the noun number. Students, for many days we are reading this chapter, the noun number. So, I will revise once and you have to focus here. The noun number. Countable nouns can be singular or plural. A noun which stands for person, place, thing, or animal is said to be the singular form. Okay, student? A noun which stands for a person, एक आदमी के लिए, for place, for any place, यानी किसी भी जगह के लिए, things, किसी भी वस्तु के लिए, किसी भी सामान के लिए, और animal, किसी भी जानवर के लिए, is said to be in the singular form. Okay, singular form means singular means one. Okay, next, noun which stand for more than one person, place, thing, or animal is said to be in the plural form. Okay, so here we have talked about the singular means one person. In plural form, two person are there. Okay, so two or more, that is plural, and single means singular. Okay, examples, we will look here. Examples: a boy is flying a kite. First example is there, a boy is flying a kite. Okay, यानी एक बॉय जो है वो पतंग उड़ा रहा है. Only one boy is there. Second example there, the boys are flying kites. There is not only one boy, here are two or more boys are there. The boys are flying kites. Okay, so in one sentence one, the word boy and kite stand for one person and thing. So these nouns are said to be in the singular form. And in sentence two, the word boys and kites stand for more than one person and thing. Okay, so in second sentence there are more than one boy, so that's why we are using boys. It is in plural form. Kites, there is no one kite is there, many kites are there. Okay, so these nouns are said to be in the plural form. Now look at the following pictures. We have also examples. A ball, balls. It means if there is one ball, we will write balls. Okay, if there is one ball, we will write a ball, and if there is one more than one ball, we will write balls. Okay, a glass, glasses. Same example here. Now we will learn how plurals are formed. For many days we are completing many exercises, so hope you have no any problem regarding making singular to plural, but I will revise this one. So be clear and be focused here. How plurals are formed. The plurals of nouns are generally formed by adding s to be to the singular, such as. It means if we add at the end of the word is, we will make plural of that word. For example, here's you can see that singular to plural, singular in singular window, and we will add s in last, that is windows. So it is plural form. So many examples are there. You can see here: window, windows; horse, horses; eye, eyes; book, books; cow, cows; ear, ears; cake, cakes; finger, fingers; case, cases; diamond, diamonds. So many examples are there. You will read one by one. Now we move to pronouns ending in ch, sh, s, or X. So how will make plural of that sentence, that words? For nouns ending in ch, sh, s or x, plurals are found by adding the singular. ओके, यानी इट मीन्स इफ वी ऐड, यानी हम लोग सिंगुलर में अगर ई एस ऐड कर देते हैं तो वो वर्ड जो है वो प्लूरल हो जाता है. हाउ? यू कैन सी मेनी एग्जाम्पल्स आर देयर. वॉच, वॉचेस. इन लास्ट वी हैव एडेड, इन द लास्ट वी हैव एडेड ई एस, so the sentence is plural. Okay, so here we will make many words like plural. Next one we see, for nouns ending in y, plurals are formed by changing the y to ies. Okay, if there is word ending with y, we will add ies. Remember this one. If nouns ending in y, plurals are formed by changing y into ies. Okay, like diary, diaries, we have added ies. Duty, duties. Okay, cry, cries. Country, countries. So it is very easy, students, but there are some exceptions also. We, if some words ended with y, we will add only s and form and make plural form of any word. For example, if the ending y comes just after a vowel, how many vowels are there? A, E, I, O, U. Okay, so if the ending y comes just after a vowel, the plurals are formed by adding s, like day, days, monkey, monkeys. You can see here in word day, day, a is what? A is vowel word, so we will put only s to make plural form. Many examples are there, students. You can see here toy, toys, chimney, chimneys, cowboy, cowboys, tree, trees. So you have to remember here, if there is a word ending y and comes just after a vowel, the plurals are found by adding s. You have to remember this one. Now next one we move to next one. For singular nouns ending in f or fe, plurals are found by changing f or fe into ves. So for singular noun, if any noun word which ended with f or fe, we have to make plural by adding ves, f or fe into ves. Examples are there, many examples are there. You can see here knife, knives, life, lives, sheep, sheep, self, selves, live, lives. Okay, so you can read examples from your book. Next one, for some nouns which end in f or fe, plurals are found by adding s in the end. So many words are there which ended with f or fe, but we added only s to make it plural. Okay, many examples you can see here, singular to plural: proof, proofs, cheap, chips. Okay, you can read examples here. I will move to next one. For some nouns that end in f or fe, plurals are formed by adding either s or ves to the singular. Okay, so very few examples are there, few words. So singular to plural: dwarf, dwarfs or dwarfs. Okay, scarf, scarves or scarves. So you can make plural like that. Next one, for some nouns that end in o, plurals are formed by adding s. Example, photo, photos, piano, pianos, okay, video, videos. Read examples from your book. For a few words ending in O, plurals are formed by adding es. Okay, so if also there is some words which end with O, but we have to put es, we have to add es to make it plural. Many examples are there: flamingo, flamingos, hero, heroes, zero, zeros. Okay, so learn this one. Some nouns that end in O form their plurals by taking either s or es. Example, mosquito, mosquitoes, or mosquitoes. Okay, so both is correct. It means if you put in mosquito only s or es, both are correct. Okay, buffalo, buffaloes, and buffaloes. Next one, a few nouns form the letters by changing the vowel a, e, I, o, u in the word. They are called irregular noun. Okay, irregular. It means uh, these are these all are irregular nouns. Examples are there: man, men, tooth, teeth, mouth, mice, goose, geese, woman, woman, women, foot, feet, louse, lies. So learn examples for there from your book. A few nouns form their plurals by adding en or ren to their singular form. Okay, so singular ox, plural oxen, child, children. Next one, some nouns have the same form in the singular as well as in plural. It means there is no any changes. Okay, so it is very easy for you. Why? Because you have to uh, copy that one. Aircraft, copy that one in plural also, aircraft. Bison, bison. Fruit, fruit. Carp, carp. Okay, so learn from your book this one also. Some nouns are used in the plural form only. Okay, so students, some nouns are given plural forms. You don't have to change in, you have to write like that. Same word you have to write: pliers, pincers, scissors, googles, binoculars, sunglasses. So these all are the plural words. Name of the certain article, garments, etc., such as trousers, drawers, breeches, jeans, pajamas, pants. So both have two pairs. Okay, when we wear jeans, it it doesn't come single. Okay, so jeans have two pairs or two legs. Okay. Okay, next, before such plural nouns we use a pair of to make them into singular nouns. Okay, so it is little bit different, but you have to learn. Singular to plural, before such plural nouns we use a pair of to make them into singular nouns. Okay, singular, a pair of gloves. In plural, gloves. A pair of trousers, trousers. A pair of binoculars. A pair of stockings. A pair of pincers, google, scissors, tongs. So you have to write the same thing: tongue, googles, trousers. Okay, like that. Okay, next one. When there is more than one pair, we use pairs of with a number or quantity showing word. 4 pair of shoes, 2 pair of scissors, 5 pair of pliers, 3 pair of chopsticks. So learn this one, it is very important, and complete your all exercises given in your book. Okay students, thank you.